Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will be showing how you can delete the contact and block someone on Telegram. First, open Telegram app on your computer or mobile. Click on a person whose contact you want to block or delete. Then click on three-dot icon and click on View Profile. Now you can delete the contact or block them on Telegram. If you want to see your block list and unblock anyone, then click on hamburger icon at the top left corner. Click Settings, and click Privacy and Security. Click Blocked Users. You can see the list of people you have blocked. Click on Unblock to unblock anyone if you want. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.